Hey foodies, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the best and trendiest Japanese food and snacks you need to try during Sakura season in 2025. From sakura-flavored treats to limited edition goodies, Japan's food scene is in full bloom just like the cherry blossoms. Let's jump in. First up, we've got sakura-flavored mochi. No Sakura season snack list is complete without this iconic treat. This chewy rice cake, made with glutinous rice flour, is traditionally filled with sweet red bean paste called anko, and this time of year it's infused with the delicate taste of cherry blossoms. It's the perfect snack for a traditional Hanami picnic under the sakura trees. Imagine yourself spreading out your picnic blanket under a canopy of fluffy pink blossoms. You reach into your basket and pull out a delicate pink mochi. Trust me, there's just something so magical about enjoying this sweet treat in the heart of Sakura season. And the best part? Sakura mochi is super easy to find all over Japan during the spring. You can usually find it at supermarkets, convenience stores, and traditional Japanese confectionery shops called wagashi. I personally love getting mine from small, family-run wagashi shops. They often have unique and handcrafted variations of Sakura mochi that you won't find anywhere else. So make sure to add Sakura mochi to your must-try list for your next trip to Japan during spring. Next, get ready to indulge in Sakura soft-serve ice cream. This is one of those treats that's practically made for Instagram. But this treat is so much more than just a pretty face, it's also incredibly delicious. The soft serve is infused with a subtle yet distinct cherry blossom flavor that's both floral and refreshing. You can find it in a variety of forms, from simple cones and cups to elaborate parfaits topped with mochi, whipped cream, and even edible flowers. During Sakura season, you can find this pastel pink treat at specialty cafes and even food stalls in parks. One of my favorite things to do is to grab a Sakura soft serve and take a stroll through a park filled with blooming cherry blossoms. So if you're looking for a refreshing and Instagram-worthy treat to cool down with during your Sakura season adventures, look no further than Sakura soft serve ice cream. Did you even go to Japan if you didn't come home with a suitcase full of unique Kit Kat flavors? Japan is known for its incredible variety of Kit Kat flavors, and Sakura season is no exception. Sakura Kit-Kats are a seasonal sensation, and for good reason. These limited edition bars feature a sweet, subtle cherry blossom flavor that's truly one of a kind. They're the perfect souvenir to bring back for friends and family, or, let's be real, just for yourself. And I'm not exaggerating when I say they're limited edition. Once they're gone, so you gotta snag them while you can. But these Kit Kats aren't just tasty, they're also super cute. Trust me, Sakura Kit Kats are a must-try for any Kit Kat enthusiast or anyone looking for a unique and delicious souvenir to remember their Sakura season trip to Japan. If you're a fan of Japanese patisserie, get ready to be blown away. Sakura season is like a dream come true for anyone with a sweet tooth, especially when it comes to pastries. During this magical time of year, Sakura-flavored cakes, tarts, and pastries are popping up everywhere, from department store basements to tiny hidden cafes. Japanese pastry chefs are known for their artistry and attention to detail, and that's especially true when it comes to seasonal treats. They use fresh, high-quality ingredients and delicate techniques to create pastries that are as beautiful as they are delicious. Think light and airy sponge cakes layered with sakura-infused cream and topped with delicate cherry blossom petals, or maybe flaky, buttery croissants filled with a sweet and creamy sakura custard. These desserts are designed to capture the essence of the season, with subtle flavors and elegant designs that reflect the beauty of the cherry blossoms. So, if you find yourself in Japan during Sakura season, do yourself a favor and indulge in some of the exquisite Sakura-themed pastries on offer. Alright, let's take a break from all the sweets for a moment and talk about drinks. And no, I'm not talking about just any drinks, I'm talking about the refreshing and flavorful world of Sakura-inspired beverages. First up, we have the classic Sakura tea. This floral-infused tea is made by steeping pickled cherry blossoms in hot water, and it's as aromatic and soothing as it sounds. Seriously, just imagine those delicate pink petals unfurling in your cup, releasing their sweet and floral aroma. But if you're looking for something a bit more modern, don't worry, Japan has got you covered. You'll also find sakura-flavored sodas, lattes, and even cocktails during this time of year. Imagine sipping on a creamy sakura latte, the delicate flavor of cherry blossoms blending perfectly with the richness of the milk. Whether you prefer something traditional or trendy, There's a sakura-inspired beverage out there for everyone to enjoy. Okay, back to the sweets. Because, let's be real, no trip to Japan is complete without indulging in a little or a lot of mochi ice cream. It's the perfect combination of chewy and creamy, and it's the kind of treat that just makes you happy. But during Sakura season, mochi ice cream gets a special makeover. Forget your standard vanilla and chocolate because in spring, it's all about those seasonal flavors. One of the most popular and delicious options is sakura-flavored mochi ice cream. Imagine biting into that soft and chewy mochi exterior, only to be met with a burst of sweet and floral cherry blossom ice cream. But the fun doesn't stop there. You can also find sakura mochi ice cream filled with other seasonal flavors like creamy matcha or sweet red bean ice cream. It's a fun and delicious way to celebrate the season and try some unique flavor combinations. So, if you're looking for a sweet and refreshing treat to beat the spring heat, be sure to add sakura mochi ice cream to your must-try list. Your taste buds will thank you. Now I know what you're thinking. Tabby, enough with the sweets already! What about us savory snack lovers? Don't worry, I haven't forgotten about you. Believe it or not, Sakura season isn't just about satisfying your sweet tooth. There are plenty of savory snacks infused with the delicate flavor of cherry blossoms. If you're into crispy and crunchy treats, you've got to try sakura-flavored chips or popcorn. These aren't your average snacks though. They're infused with a subtle floral cherry blossom flavor that adds a unique twist to your usual snacking routine. Imagine munching on a bag of lightly salted sakura chips while enjoying a hanami picnic under the cherry blossoms. The salty and savory flavors of the chips, combined with the delicate floral notes of the cherry blossoms, create a taste sensation that's both unexpected and delicious. So if you're looking for a unique and flavorful snack to try during Sakura season, don't be afraid to venture beyond the sweets. Okay, are you ready for one of the coolest new trends in 2025? Get ready for Sakura-themed sandwiches. Yep, you heard that right. Move over ramen burgers and sushi donuts. There's a new trendy food in town. These aren't your average ham and cheese though. We're talking fluffy, cloud-like Japanese milk bread piled high with layers of cherry blossom-infused cream cheese, savory ham, or even seasonal fruits. They're creative, delicious, and a great way to enjoy Sakura season in a savory form. And the best part? These sandwiches are popping up everywhere, from trendy cafes to convenience stores, so no matter where your Sakura season adventures take you, you're sure to find a delicious and Instagrammable sandwich to satisfy your cravings. Alright, let's wrap things up with a toast to Sakura season. And what better way to celebrate than with some trendy Sakura drinks and cocktails? From sakura-flavored sodas to unique cocktails mixed with floral cherry blossom syrup, you can find them at trendy bars and cafes all across Japan during springtime. They're the perfect way to add a festive touch to your Sakura season experience. Imagine sipping on a delicate pink cocktail, the sweet and floral notes of cherry blossom blending perfectly with your favorite spirit. Or how about a refreshing Sakura soda, its subtle sweetness enhanced by a squeeze of lime and a sprig of mint. It's the perfect thirst quencher for a warm spring day. Whether you're looking for a special occasion drink or just a fun and festive way to enjoy the flavors of the season, there's a Sakura drink out there for everyone. So, whether you're craving something sweet savory or even a refreshing drink, Japan has got you covered with these trendy Sakura-inspired foods and snacks in 2025. Seriously, the creativity never ends. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more foodie adventures in Japan. See you next time.